This is ChocoBam, built with a gamer's mindset, designed for speed, clarity, and impact. From esports to web design, I build tactical websites that convert. My portfolio speaks for itself. Each one a win, each one a story. I'm not just a designer. I'm a strategist, musician, former esports player, and a head coach. And no, I didn't finish college. I don't have a degree, but I do have something stronger: passion, practice, and thousands of hours of real world experience. I learned by doing, by failing, by rebuilding again and again. 5+ years in gaming, 8+ clients projects, 12+ original tracks released. I build landing pages, WordPress sites, and SEO setups, all optimized for performance. And every site built with precision like a perfect play. Now, watch as AI takes the wheel and gives you the full tour. Thanks for watching, and let the experience begin.
See this? This is the eStatic Dashboard, a free plugin. No pro version, no extra cost. I added every single listing manually, including photos, pricing, descriptions, and categories. And here, this is the front end. Now, you might recognize some design elements from the Contempo theme. And yes, I studied it closely to understand its structure and layout. But here's the key. I didn't buy or install it. Instead, I rebuilt every section: the header, the hero, the listings grid, the animations, using only WordPress, Elementor, and custom CSS. That means no monthly fees, no license restrictions, full control over every pixel. So when you see this site, know this: it wasn't copied, it was recreated. And because I built it myself, I can scale it, update it, and make it better, without relying on anyone else. In fact, if we ever want to change the look, maybe go darker, more modern, or add video backgrounds, I can do it in hours, not weeks, because I own every line of code. I know your team has been working on the US Prime Realty website for the past 6 months, and I want to respect that effort completely. But I wanted to show you something different, what a clean, modern, and high-performing homepage could look like, built in just a few weeks. This is the hero section, the first thing every visitor will see. We start strong, #1 real estate agency. It's bold, but it's also your brand. This isn't just design, it's positioning. From the first second, visitors know they're in the right place. The headline, "Discover Your Next Home," is simple, emotional, and action-driven. It doesn't shout, it invites, and that's how luxury brands should speak. We highlight Next Home in blue, a small detail that guides the eye and makes the message feel personal. This isn't just a house, it's their future. And the tagline? Luxury homes that define Florida living. It's not generic, it's specific. It speaks directly to your ideal client, someone who wants more than just a property. A clear "Read More" button makes it easy to explore further. No confusion, no friction. Just a smooth journey into your world. Everything is fast, mobile-friendly, and built with SEO in mind. So it doesn't just look good, it ranks well, converts better, and works harder for your brand. This is what I can deliver: a professional, high-impact website built quickly with attention to detail and brand alignment. Not to replace what's been done, but to offer a fresh option. One that's fast, modern, and ready to launch. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and see if this direction could be the future of US Prime Realty Online. Next, we have the exclusive property listings section, where we showcase your most desirable homes. The headline is bold and clear, not just properties, but exclusive ones. That word matters. It speaks to high-end buyers who want something rare and special. We start with luxurious. A modern beachfront home with a pool and fire pit. It's designed to evoke comfort, style, and coastal elegance. Then, exclusive, a grand estate with palm trees and a reflection pool. This one feels like privacy, prestige, and power. And finally, peaceful, a serene outdoor lounge with ocean views. It's about relaxation, escape, and tranquility. All three are linked to a central CTA. View exclusives. One click takes them deeper. No confusion, no friction. And at the bottom, we reinforce your brand promise, your prime choice in real estate. It ties everything together, your name, your value, and your confidence. This section isn't just beautiful, it's built to convert. Clean design, emotional appeal, and clear direction, all in under 10 seconds. This section is also optimized for both users and Google. The keywords exclusive property listings, luxury homes appear naturally in the text, helping your site rank for high-intent searches. The images are optimized with descriptive file names and alt text, e.g. luxurybeachfronthome.jpg, so they can appear in Google Images. And the layout is mobile-friendly, so buyers on phones can easily browse and click without frustration. Next, we have the Why Choose US Prime Realty section, where we explain your unique value. The headline is direct and powerful. It answers the question every buyer asks, why should I choose you? First, committed team. You're not just selling homes, you're offering hands-on support, personalized service, and confidence every step of the way. Then, industry experts. Your team has deep knowledge of Florida's market, from Miami to Naples, and access to top-tier listings and global connections. USPR advantage, exclusive access, tailored strategy, proven results. This is your edge in a competitive market. And finally, experienced agents, licensed professionals who specialize in waterfront homes, new developments, and high-end real estate across South Florida. Below, we shift to social proof, testimonials from real clients, because nothing builds trust faster than a satisfied buyer. Here, James Frank from New York shares his experience, and we've included a photo so it feels personal, not generic. And here, Sunshine Cruz from Mexico, another voice from around the world, showing your reach and impact. All set against a stunning backdrop, a serene pool at dusk. It's not just a background, it's a mood. It says, this is the life you can have. This section doesn't just sell properties, it sells confidence, and that's what makes US Prime Realty stand out. This section is also optimized for search engines. Keywords like Florida real estate experts, luxury homes Miami, and experienced agents appear naturally in the text, helping your site rank for high-intent searches. The testimonials are structured with schema markup in the final build, which helps Google display them in rich snippets, increasing visibility in search results. And the layout is fully responsive, so it looks great on phones, tablets, and desktops. Next, we have the Our Communities section, a visual journey through the neighborhoods you serve. The headline is simple and inviting. View Our Communities. It's not just about properties, it's about places people live, love, and belong. Here, we see a vibrant waterfront city at night, lights reflecting on the water. This could be Miami, Fort Lauderdale, or any major coastal hub you cover. Then, a serene beach at dusk, calm waves, soft light, and endless sky. This speaks to buyers who want peace, privacy, and ocean views. And here, crystal clear waters and tropical landscaping, a perfect representation of Florida's most desirable coastlines. We also include quieter residential areas, showing that you serve both urban and suburban buyers. A golden sunrise over the sand. This one feels hopeful, fresh, and full of possibility. And finally, a peaceful canal view, perfect for those who love waterfront living without the crowds. All 6 images are linked to a central CTA, View All. One click takes them to a full gallery. No friction, just discovery. Below, we shift to hard proof. Your achievements. 5,987 homes sold. 9,866 agents hired. 7,644 listings. These aren't just numbers. They're evidence of scale, experience, and success. This section doesn't just show what you do, it shows how well you do it. Now, let's look at the team section, where we introduce our agents and brokers. This isn't just a photo gallery, it's a trust-building tool. Each agent card has a professional headshot. Social media links interactive hover effects that highlight their profile, and when someone hovers over an agent, the card expands, making them feel seen, personal, and approachable. This is how we build relationships before the first call. Then, the contact form, clean, simple, and designed to convert. It includes a beautiful Florida sunset image, clear fields for name, email, subject, and message, a bold send button that stands out, and below, a full footer with social icons, copyright, and sharing tools, all built in-house. This entire page, from the team cards to the contact form, was custom-coded and styled by me, without any third-party templates or plugins. So, when visitors see this site, they don't just see a real estate agency. They see a team of experts ready to help, backed by a professional, custom-built digital presence. That's not just design, that's strategy. Why this works. Shows attention to detail. You didn't just copy, you built interactivity. Highlights user experience. Hover effects equals engagement. Emphasizes ownership. Custom-coded equals you control everything. Ends with impact. Positions the site as a strategic asset, not just a website. And if we ever want to add more agents, change colors, or add video bios, I can do it in minutes, not weeks, because I own every line of code. This shows flexibility, scalability, and technical mastery. Next, we have the Our Properties section, where buyers discover their dream homes. The hero image shows a luxurious home at night, warm lighting, open design, and tropical surroundings. It's not just beautiful, it's aspirational. The headline is clear and bold, Our Properties. It tells visitors exactly where they are and what they can expect. Below, we have a smart search bar with filters for address, price, type, bedrooms, bathrooms, and more. Users can find exactly what they want, no guesswork. Here's a featured property, a beachfront home with a pool and ocean view. The image grabs attention and the featured tag adds value. Then, a high-rise apartment in the city, with a for rent label, clear, direct, and perfect for renters. And here, a luxury home with a glowing pool and an open house tag. That creates urgency, encouraging visitors to act now. Each card has a heart icon, so users can save their favorites. Simple but powerful for engagement. And the floating chat icon? Always visible, so if someone has a question, they can message you instantly. This section is built for speed, clarity, and conversion. Everything a buyer needs to make a decision. Now, let's look at what happens when a visitor clicks on a property, the full detail page, and appointment flow. This is where we turn interest into leads. When someone clicks on a listing, a clean modal pops up, asking them to schedule an appointment with a real estate agent. It's not intrusive, it's smart. It builds trust by showing a real person, and it starts the conversation before they leave the site. Then, once they're in, they see high-quality images, a full gallery of 6 photos, showcasing every angle of the home. The main image is large, crisp, and immersive, making them feel like they're already there. Below we have all the key details: price, address, bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and more, all clearly laid out. The description tells a story, not just facts, helping buyers imagine themselves living there. And then the features list, with check marks and specifics like city view, condominium, and kitchen is 8 by 10, gives them confidence in the details. Finally, a video tour, embedded directly from YouTube, lets them walk through the home virtually. No need to leave the page. This entire flow is designed to keep visitors engaged, informed, and ready to act, all in one seamless experience. Welcome to US Prime Realty, where luxury meets lifestyle. The hero image sets the tone, a modern home at sunset with an infinity pool reflecting the sky. It's not just a property, it's a dream. 2 clear CTAs, browse luxury listings, and schedule consultation, guiding visitors toward action. Here, we see a full gallery of premium homes, each with high-quality images, pricing, and details. Users can filter by price, type, bedrooms, and more. Then, we explain your value. Exclusive access, expert guidance, and trusted service. 3 reasons why buyers choose you. And here, we introduce your team. Real agents, real faces. This builds trust and makes your brand feel personal. Finally, a strong closing message. Unlock the door to extraordinary. It's not just about buying a home. It's about starting a new chapter. This site is fast, beautiful, and built to convert. It's not just a website, it's a sales funnel. Now let's look at the waterfront homes page, where design meets emotion. The hero, live where the ocean breathes. Poetic, powerful, and instantly memorable. The CTA, schedule a private tour. This isn't just a button, it's an invitation to dream. Scroll down, property highlights. Each one has custom icons and smooth hover effects, guiding the eye and building desire. Then the city carousel, Miami, Fort Myers, Cape Coral, all with real images and discover more buttons. Clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Instant immersion, like they're standing there. Next, why waterfront living? We don't just sell homes, we sell a lifestyle. Then, USPR partners, real logos, subtle animations. And finally, the search bar. One goal, help them find their perfect home. Every element, from hover effects to transitions, was built by me. No templates, no plugins, just clean code and smart design. This isn't just a website, it's a digital experience that sells dreams. Now, let's look at the communities page, where we bring Florida's most desirable cities to life. This isn't just a list, it's a visual journey through Aventura, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Miami, Orlando, Naples, and Tampa. Each city has its own hero image, custom tagline, and rich description, all built to inspire. And when you click Explore, or any city card, a smooth transition takes you deeper into that community. But here's the smart part. When you click on any city, a custom appointment form pops up. Now let's dive into the Aventura City page, where we blend beauty, data, and strategy. The hero. Find Aventura homes that match your vision. Bold, clear, and inviting. And look at the background, a night sky with moving clouds. It's not just a backdrop, it's a mood setter. Scroll down, the Market at a Glance section. Real-time market data from Redfin, presented in clean, custom-designed circles, no clutter, just clarity. Then the featured properties, high-end condos, waterfront homes, and luxury rentals. Each one has price, beds, baths, square footage, all clearly laid out, and when you click, it opens a full property page. Next, the Why Choose USPR section. This isn't just branding, it's storytelling. We're not selling homes, we're selling lifestyle, location, and expertise. Then top-rated schools, Aventura Waterways K-8, Don Soffer High School, Sheikh Hillel. Perfect for families, and we make it easy to find homes near them. Finally, the Get in Touch form, simple, branded, and ready to convert. One goal, turn interest into action. Every element, from animations to data visualization, was custom built by me. No templates, no plugins, just clean code, smart design, and powerful UX. This page doesn't just show properties. It builds trust, informs decisions, and drives leads. Now, let's look at the US Prime Realty Insights page, where we build trust through expertise. The hero, your trusted source for Florida real estate trends, bold, clear, and backed by a stunning sunset. And right away, a clean search tool, ready to help users find their dream home. Scroll down, the Florida Luxury Living section. Dynamic visuals, smooth animations, it feels like you're flipping through a luxury magazine. Then, Expert Insights, where we share market knowledge to help buyers make informed decisions. This isn't just marketing, it's value-driven content. Next, meet the elite US PR agents, real people, real faces, real credibility. Each agent has a profile, bio, and direct links, building personal connection. Finally, 2 clear CTAs. Contact us and schedule a free consultation. Simple, strong, built to convert. Every line of code, every animation, custom built by me. No templates, just strategy, emotion, and results. Now, let's look at the US Prime Realty Insights page, where we build trust through expertise. The hero, your trusted source for Florida real estate trends, bold, clear, and backed by a stunning sunset. And right away, a clean search tool, ready to help users find their dream home. Scroll down, the Florida Luxury Living section. Dynamic visuals, smooth animations, it feels like you're flipping through a luxury magazine. Then, Expert Insights, where we share market knowledge to help buyers make informed decisions. This isn't just marketing, it's value-driven content. Next, meet the elite US PR agents, real people, real faces, real credibility. Each agent has a profile, bio, and direct links, building personal connection. Finally, 2 clear CTAs. Contact us and schedule a free consultation. Simple, strong, built to convert. Every line of code, every animation, custom built by me. No templates, just strategy, emotion, and results. Now let's look at the contact page, where we make it easy to connect. The headline, have questions? Drop us a line. Simple, warm, and inviting. Clean input fields, branded with our logo. No distractions, just action. On the left, 3 quick ways to reach us: email, join the team, or call. Everything you need, in one place. Scroll down, a stunning video of a luxury home, day to night. It's not just a background, it's a story. From sunrise to stars, it shows life in Florida. Then the brand logo, animated, bold, and centered, reinforcing trust. And below, a gallery of top markets, Miami, Orlando, Cape Coral, all clickable. This isn't just a contact page, it's a final impression that builds confidence and converts. Every pixel, custom built by me, no templates, just clarity, emotion, and results.